Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And I'm actually going to show you one of my Christmas presents. It hasn't finished charging, but yeah, it's happened again. I've got a new camcorder for Christmas, and here you go. I got a new camcorder for Christmas. Now I definitely can't wait to start filming with this. Okay, let me just turn it on for you. So now you can see yourself right there in the screen. There's you right there in the screen. Oh my gosh, wow. And the light does come on, but once you do something with it, it doesn't come on then. So yeah, here's my new camcorder for Christmas. And let me just turn it off and put the plug back in. And it does have a hot shoe on the top for external lights or microphones. So that's going to be really nice. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this little video and enjoyed seeing my new Christmas present. That's only one of them. All the rest is up there. And I can't go through all of them, sorry. Oh, hang on. Anyway, here's the box for the camcorder. It's a Panasonic SD90. And it does have 3D capability, which is very nice. There it is. There's the serial. There's the camera right there. The HTC SD90 EB/K. Best Christmas present ever. So, I hope you enjoyed, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!